Hi, welcome to the tabletop video, the follow-up to the plank. So if plank was looking or feeling a little too intense for you, you can always turn to the plank and the tabletop and the plank. So you can revert to this video, and when you feel stronger, you can go back to the plank video, or vice versa. Sometimes it's good to mix up your routine. So plank, quite simply, is tabletop with your legs extended. So tabletop, all fours face parallel to the ground. In the tabletop variations, you can do the same as if you were lifting your foot, but this time you're going to lift your knee. And you can bring your knee in towards your body and then away from your body. And in towards your body and out. So just follow your breath here. Inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. And then release that knee down and move to the other side of your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. The higher you move your leg up, the more challenging it is. So you can also work to keep your leg in a straight line. Really press down through all your fingertips. And then start to move through the arms. So inhale, reaching up, and then sweeping your arm back behind you. And inhale, reaching out, and sweeping your arm behind you. Inhale out, exhale down, inhale up, and exhale down. And then move through the other side of the body. Inhale, reach your arms forward, your fingertips reaching out, engage nice and strong, and exhale, reaching back. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale up. Exhale back. A few more times, follow your own breathing. If you get warm, blowing out through your mouth like a straw cools your body off just a little bit faster. So the next step is putting it all together, and you can challenge your balance by extending out through the leg and extending out through the opposite arm. And you can hold here, or you can exhale and bring your body in together, and inhale, reach out, and exhale back together. Inhale, exhale. And the slower you go, imagine as if you're moving through rubber or jello. The more strength you build. Really, a lot more strength the slower you go. If at any time your wrists become a little cranky, just relax, or your knees for that matter, your wrists or your knees. If they're uncomfortable, you can place a blanket under your knees, and you can always relax your hips back towards your heels, just to take a break. Pauses are allowed. So inhale. Now through the other side of the body, you can really flex the bottom of your foot so that your toes point down and your heel points straight out, really engaging all the muscles in your leg. So reaching out and curling in. Reaching out and curling in. And remembering, as slow as you can go, slow it down a little bit more. Remember to breathe. Maybe it takes 5 breaths to complete a motion, or 2. The slower you go, the more strength you build. When you go slow, notice parts of your body that start to wobble, and see if you can just relax and breathe some awareness to that area. And ride out the wobble. Don't try to correct it or force it or change it to be straight right away. Ride out the wobble, follow your breath before relaxing back. And give yourself a break. Good job. And walk your hands back towards your body. So those are some tabletop variations you can do. You can also bring those variations back to your plank. Really intensify your workout if you like, but the tabletop is really fantastic. Again, if you have any tension in your wrist, you may want to press onto that to stretch it out. Just be really gentle. Go back to some of our massages of the hands at the beginning and think about keeping the joint stable, so not too extreme one way than the other. So when you're in table, your hand's pretty extreme that way, and it might feel great to just immediately flip your arm over or your wrist over and stretch it out. Well, that might be a little too intense for your nervous system. So you can always just, if you've been in an intense pose of any kind, just bring your body back to that neutral spot first, breathe a few seconds, maybe reach out through that body part before just seeing where gravity naturally lets it fall. And that way you're a bit more gentle, you're not jamming, slamming, pushing your body in any sort of way. So take it easy and enjoy.